Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some peach juice. Yes, I'm telling you, this drink right here guys is gonna be so refreshing. I love peach and I know this drink, as I said, is gonna be so good. So here I have 14 peach, and I'm also gonna add some ginger, and I'm using a lot of ginger because you guys already know that I love ginger in my drink. Whenever I'm making drink, I always add ginger, because trust me, ginger make a big difference. It's gonna make your drinks be so refreshing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them up. They're already washed, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, I'm already cutting my peach. So this is what it look like. So I have a few leave back, so I'm just gonna cut it, you know, just to show you guys. So this is how I normally do it. Like so. I cut both sides because you know there's a seed on the inside. Yeah, that's the seed right there, and then I'm gonna cut around it. So see this, you don't need this guys. Yeah, that's tough. So now I'm gonna cut my ginger. Make sure it is nice and washed guys. And as I always said, you can always, you know, just cut around your ginger, because sometimes like if you see any dark spot, you can always cut around it, okay, and put that one in the bin. But just make sure you give it a good wash. If you want, you can always peel off all the skin, but I don't like to peel off the skin because it's stronger this way when the peel is on it. Yeah, to me it's more stronger. So you want to make sure that you cut it very small. I just love the smell of ginger. You can cook with it, you can put it in juice. Ginger is so good guys, it's good for a lot of stuff. Everything is nice and cut, guys, as you can see. Now I'm gonna blend it all up, so stay tuned. So guys, here I have my blender and jug right here. So now I'm gonna add my peach and my ginger to my jug, okay? You don't want to overfill it. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water. Yeah, that's it, because you don't need to add too much. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it all up, and I'm gonna use my hand blender. If you want, you can always use the normal blender. I don't have one. I need to get one. Mine's break. So ever since, I've been using the hand blender, which work perfect. So now I'm gonna start it now. So this is what it looks like after I blend it. You want to make sure that the ginger is nicely blended and the peach, okay? So now I'm just gonna blend my remaining that I leave back, okay? So stay tuned. So now guys, I'm gonna strain my drink. That is all finished blend. So here I have my bowl, as you can see, and I'm gonna use this bag strainer like. If you want, you can always use the normal strainer. I get this one from my local supermarket. I get it for free, guys. It's where they sell the fruit and vegetable. Yeah, that part. So now I'm just gonna pour it in. Like so. Look at that. I'm loving the color. Oops. There's a spoon was in there. So I'm gonna take my time and just slide it off. Just gonna squeeze it. It looks so good already, guys. So guys, it is nicely squeezed. So my peach drink, guys, is nice and smooth, and this is what it look like. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 lemon and 1 lime, okay? I'm gonna squeeze it in my drink. Because what it does, guys, is gonna make your drink to be super refreshing. Yes, it's gonna add more flavor to it. So I'm just gonna add my strainer right here. I'm firstly gonna add my lime. I'm gonna squeeze my lime because I don't want no bits or no seed to get into my drink, so that's why I strain it. This just needs some ice, guys, and you're good to go. If you want, you can always add some honey or some sugar, but this way, guys, it is more healthier this way, okay? It is not fresh. You can actually taste the sweetness from the peach. I want mine to be healthy, so I'm not gonna add no sugar. I'm cutting down on the sugar. Normally when I make drink, I always add a lot of sugar to it, but I don't see the point adding sugar because the fruit's already sweet. Yeah. Now you want to give it a stir so everything will all combine. Guys, here I have all my mason jar. So one of them, I'm just gonna add some ice, okay? Because you guys know that I love ice in my drink. Because I want it to be super, super refreshing. Yes. Also gonna add some fresh mint, which is totally optional. Now I'm pouring my peach drink in my mason jar. Look at that. So refreshing. It looks so good. I'm gonna add some more of my ice. And some fresh mint at the top, just for presentation. So there you have it, guys. This is how I make my peach drink with ginger, lime and lemon. I'm telling you, it is so refreshing. Guys, please share this video to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Please, I work so hard just to get these videos out for you guys. So please, guys, this peach drink is a must try. It is absolutely refreshing. I'm just loving the color. You don't need no sugar, guys. It is already sweetened. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.